now this month, Cultivate Goodness is kicking off another program, Pathways to Purpose.
It helps support those that are really out there, young men and women that have timed out and they're done with school. Might have some special needs. They have a hard time holding a job down. And so we get a lot of people that come through us as volunteers that have a hard time finding a job, finding their alignment with what their gifts or talents are. And so the Pathways to Purpose helps young adults discover their gifts, develop workforce skills, and find meaningful employment. And Cultivate Goodness really has a big heart for those that might be finding challenges really connecting with adulthood. And so they've got a variety of services that they did. And then we brought them into our Queen Creek Botanical Gardens, especially through Cultivate Goodness. And we really dive deep in their skill base and what they can do, what they can't do. But we're really wanting to cultivate their innate gifts and talents, align them with opportunities for employment, and then help them develop those skills to the level that they can be fully employed by the end of that year. And there's a diverse levels of people, even people on the spectrum and have challenges, more special needs adults are in the program and part of that. And we just help them find those resources and help them align, starting with gardening and a lot of cool program stuff that aligns with agritainment and hospitality services, markets, a lot of fun stuff that happens in the background that makes our market and our gardens and agritainment out in Queen Creek work.
If I want to be one of those 12, what should I do today?
If you're available, head on down to the Queen Creek Botanical Gardens and connect with our staff that's down there. If you're not able to head down there, you want to go to qcgardens.org and click on Cultivate Goodness. And that info page right there is going to put you right onto the page talking all about the Pathways to Purpose program, and it'll have opportunities to then connect onto that. So make sure you're on our newsletters, because as we open up more available spots, and starting, I think, end of the kickoff meeting today is when the new site goes live and the people will be able to specifically apply.